Hello everyone, we are Group 4 and today we are discussing Chapter 4, Privacy. Let's start. What is NSA? NSA means National Security Agency. The NSA is a US government agency that focuses making and breaking codes as well as intercepting communication like phone calls or message to gather intelligence for national security and military operations. The agency also monitors telecommunication, including billions of emails and phone calls using a vast network of listening posts, satellite relays, and ground stations operated by companies like AT&T. Encryption and code blocking. Encryption is a way to protect sensitive information by converting it into a secret code. One of the strongest encryption methods is AES, which is used to secure top secret communication. Breaking AES encryption through brute force would take around 12 billion years, making it nearly impossible with today's technology.
Definition of privacy. Privacy is the right to control your personal information and keep certain aspects of your life from being accessed or shared without your consent. It includes protecting your data, communications, and activities from unwanted intrusions by individuals, corporations, or governments. Privacy can apply to different areas such as personal privacy, keeping your home life private, informational privacy, protecting your personal data online, and communication privacy, ensuring messages and calls remain confidential. So what is information privacy? Information privacy refers to the right to control how personal data is collected, used, shared, and stored. It ensures that individuals have control over their sensitive information such as names, addresses, financial details, medical records, and online activities. We have key aspects of information privacy. First, data protection, preventing unauthorized access or misuse of personal data. Second, consent, giving individuals the right to decide how their data is used. Third, transparency. Organizations must inform users about data collection and usage. And lastly, security, implementing measures to protect data from breaches or leaks.
Privacy and anonymity.
Privacy, application, and the law. Most privacy laws focus on government invasions of privacy with little protection from corporate data misuse. No comprehensive national data privacy policy exists in the U.S. No centralized advisory agency to recommend privacy practices for businesses. Current laws are often inconsistent or conflicting.
In 2012, alone, there were over 1,450 data breaches. Many companies hesitate to report breaches due to the bad publicity and potential lawsuits. However, victims must be informed so they can take protective measures.
Consumer profiling. Every time you browse the internet, make a purchase, or use a social media platform, data is being collected about you. This process, known as consumer profiling, allows companies and organizations to track user behavior. One area where data collection plays a crucial role is in legal cases. Through electronic discovery or e-discovery, lawyers and investigators gather digital evidence, including emails, web pages, and photographs. However, this process raises privacy concerns as sensitive personal data may be exposed. Advanced surveillance technology. Advanced surveillance technologies such as AI-powered cameras and satellite tracking have become more common in modern society. While they enhance security and help law enforcement, they also spark debates about privacy violations. Some argue that people in public spaces have no legal expectation of privacy. However, critics warn of the dangers including unauthorized image storage, potential blackmail, and even misidentification due to faulty AI.